more than 10 minutes late.
Yeah, because some of them didn't clean up.
10 minutes late, Galaxy.
接下来，
We have spoken about this before. You have something to do before English class. You need to hurry afterwards.
when did Miss Teddy dismiss the class? When? 几点钟 Teddy 老师下课的？9:14. And now it's 9:30.
9:40, so you are 15 minutes late. You had 15 minutes to get to English class.
Usually we're just late for 1 or 2 minutes, right? I know it's a long way from ICT room to fourth floor, but usually you are on time, or maybe just 1 or 2 minutes late. So what happened today? We have 10 minutes late. Because we need to clean up. But before that, so we didn't clean up in the past. Did Miss Teddy said, now stop and everybody clean up? Did Miss Teddy said that? It's very messy today, so you need more time to tidy up. Did everyone tidy up, or only just some of you? 是所有同学都在 clean up 吗？ In English, try your best. Is English? Everyone?
We will clean up ourselves. So, some groups are clean, but some didn't.
Oh, some groups finished cleaning up, some groups didn't. I can tell that for our UI exhibition.
I feel disrespected, Miss Finley. I honestly do feel disrespected. You took your own sweet time to come to English class.
因为我们迟到了10分钟。如果大家知道 if we know, okay, today our projects are so big, we need more time to clean up, then tell Miss Teddy, we miss the class like 5 minutes earlier. Use 5 minutes to clean up, or you need more, 10 minutes to clean up. But don't cover other subjects' time. 可以告诉 Teddy 老师，我们提前10分钟去收拾也可以，但是请不要占用其他课的时间。你看下一任课的老师，他就会感觉到怎么样啊？你占了他的课的时间，对不对？
Good morning, grade 6.
Good morning, Miss Ashley.
So today we have a couple exercises to do. The first one is just a speaking exercise. And I have some questions here on the board for you. The first one, could you read for me, Keaton?
What do you miss most?
Okay, Keaton, what do you miss most in your life? It can be anything. What do you miss the most?
Do you know what that miss means?
You know. What do you miss the most? It can be anything. Something that you had in the past and you do not have it now. So you miss
so
it.
This miss, do I miss I miss you or I miss the bus?
Not to miss the bus, but
I
I miss
miss
you.
Okay,
Or I
想
miss
念
it.
Okay, miss it. 想念的意思不是yeah. So Keaton thought it was lose.
If you lost something, yes.
就想念对失去的东西。Yeah, thing or people.
Thing or people, anyone.
Doesn't know.
All right, who wants to tell me something that they miss a lot? They miss it.
Let's see you. Raise up your hand.
Yeah, yes. You miss your family, right? You miss your family. Good. And how do you feel? It should be how do you feel about it?
你的感受是什么样的？最近我的问卷里面有好多感受啊，这些词语还记不记得
How does it make you feel? It makes you feel very sad. Sad is a dead word, is it? No, but it is. It is a dead word. So give me another one. Who said it? Someone said it? To be in despair or to feel dismay. Very good. Sia, come on. That is a dead word. So we have despair.
Despair.
How do we spell despair?
Despair.
Despair. It's D-E-S. D-E-S. P-A-I-R. So it's despair. And to be in dismay. To be in dismay. How do we spell? D-I-S-M-A-Y. And Sia, what do you do to feel better? Look at their pictures. I love that. And call them, right? So she looks at their pictures and call them. Now, number 4. How can you keep optimistic rather than pessimistic? What is optimistic and what is pessimistic?
It's on the board, the Chinese translation.
To be more, to look at it in a good way, and pessimistic is in a bad way.
Maybe we can have an example.
Yes.
Like now, Mr. Ashley's water bottle. So if you are an optimistic person.
You're blocking the phone.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
It's half of the cup.
So I know Miss Ashley is very optimistic. Miss Ashley 是一个非常乐观的人。So she will see
It as half full.
哦，我说哦，还有一半的水呢，我还有一半的水，挺好的。But if you are
If you are
pessimistic，悲观的
pessimistic,
人会怎么说
It's half empty.
it's half empty.
？It's half empty，只有一半，只有一半。乐观的人说哦，我还有一半的水。悲观的人说哦，我只有一半。But the water is the same. The difference is your attitude. 水是一样的，不同的是你的什么态度，对不对？
Yeah. Your attitude is what's different. Are you a negative person
你是一
or
个悲
are
观
you
的人吗？
positive?
你是一个乐观的人。
Right? Do you say I can do it or I can't do it?
Yes.
What is it? Growth
I can't
mindset
do it.
versus
Fixed mindset.
fixed mindset. Very good. So now we have optimistic, everyone. Optimistic and pessimistic. Pessimistic means you are negative.
悲观。
You have negative thoughts. I can't do it. You're a bad person. You will not win. I will never achieve. That is pessimistic. And it is a fixed mindset. How can pessimism be good?
Some people are too optimistic and everything becomes
Too confident.
everything becomes dangerous.
Alright, so it's not that pessimistic is good, but rather you are realistic.
Yeah,
现实的啊，你不能过于乐观、盲目自信，对不对？你要现实一点。
Right? Or Nicole, here's another one. You are practical
Oh yeah.
or pragmatic.
实际的，你是一个实际的人。
Right? So you have all those words, Nicole, you can add. Okay? To be pragmatic, practical, or to be a realist.
你是一个不会空口说大话的，还是说我会愿意把我的想法付诸实践？
Pessimism is always negative. Okay? Pessimism or to be pessimistic is always negative.
但是悲观无论怎么样都是怎么样不好的啊，悲观是不好的。
But if you are a realist, you will look at it and know that some things are bad.
Yeah.
Because it is true. It is bad. If a fire burns down a building,
如果有一个火烧了建筑物
right?
It's a good thing.
It's a bad
，the
thing,
best thing，
and I can be pessimistic
可
about
能会
it
很伤心。
because I have lost everything, right? But I can be optimistic or be a realist and look at it and say it's an opportunity to start over.
啊，这是一个机会，给我们重新，比如说造房子的机会。
重新来过。
Yeah.
Yeah? So even though you lost everything,
Yeah, like today, they will have the Mandarin test.
yeah?
If you only got 60 on a Mandarin test, so if you're a realistic person,
Yeah?
now okay, I feel upset about my score, but next I can do something to make my Mandarin better.
Yeah? Because now you know what you don't know. And you can study harder.
就实际。
All right. Now, let's listen to our favorite song. Please listen carefully.
Name your own name, not his name.
All right. So, we have a worksheet in front of us. Waiting for love. Notice you only heard the song once. In the first activity, it says to look in the word bank and fill in the missing words. Now in your table group, you can discuss and fill in the proper words.
Word bank are here.
Yes, there are 7 blanks. There are 7 blanks. You may start. You may start.
So now let's have
15
finish part
minutes.
one, right?
Yes, finish part 1.
15 minutes?
We have 15 minutes.
So
To
now,
do the whole paper.
are we going to do part, then we should answer?
老师，那这个 iPad 给我是吗？
Not using iPad now.
Not using the iPad now. iPad is for the last part if you have to. Find something to write quickly.
What are you doing? I listen to the every day.
Every day, and now you need to know it now.
And the nice, the sound of it. The same. Yeah.
The same, similar.
Similar.
But the sound of the similar is also. I choose
Yeah.
对，然后每首歌都是很长很长的伴奏，对，而且就是
哦，
啊，不是，先做 part one 啊，然后
That's not the part of the exercise.
you can think of it.
Wait a moment. Wait. Hold it.
对。
Alright, so most groups have finished. Let's get into the first part because you'll need more time to do the second and the third. Okay, first part, number 1. Keaton, your table.
Listen everyone.
Read the whole thing for me. No, the whole table.
The whole table, sorry.
Come on, baby. The whole table.
Number one, 1, 2, 3, go.
Is it magical?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I switched the magical.
Uh-huh. So where there's a will, there's a way. What does where's a will, there's a way mean? Who knows?
I have this.
If you want to do it, if you really want to do it.
Also in Chinese, everyone let's write it down. There's a will, there's a way， 叫做有志者事竟成。Yes.
Yes.
有志者事竟成。
Where there's a will, there's a way. If you really want to do something, then you have
对
to.
了，还要写这个。
Yeah, there's a will, there's a way. 有志者事竟成。来下去啊。
And then,
And then
Demi number
来记下来啊。有志者事竟成。
这个金还是
不会记都不会写吧？
is it?
这个请没问题。这个记得全部的意思吧，就是你事情全部都做了。
Alright. Demi's table, everyone, please be quiet. Demi, your table, the whole table should be reading after 2, 1, 2. And every night has its day. Which means what? When bad things are over, good things will happen. So if something bad happens, don't worry, something good will happen next. That's how life is, right? If something good happens, then something bad may happen. That's just life. It's a cycle of life. Okay? So if something bad happens, don't worry. Something good will happen. But you have to make it happen. You see? You have to make it happen. How can we make it happen, Sia? How can we make it happen?
To be
Optimistic. That's how you make it happen. All right, Bella, next one, number 3.
And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle.
And if there is love in this life, there is no obstacle. What is obstacle?
Challenges.
Challenges. I like that. And then the last one, Cherry, your table. That can't be defeated. What's defeated, Cherry? Fail. It's the opposite. To win. Yeah.
defeated 是被打败。
Defeat. If I am defeated, it means I failed. So you are right. But in this case, in this sentence, it says can't be defeated. So it's the opposite.
他不能被打败，我不能被打败，就是我会赢。
So I will win. I must win. I cannot be defeated. Alright, you can move on to the next part. Let's do the next part quickly. Answer the following questions based on the lyrics of the song. Write it down. What is the singer waiting for? He is waiting for love.
I was thinking of waiting for the dog. Use full sentence, right?
Full sentence. That's why you have a long line. Yes. Yes. Monday left him broken. Thank you. You can write the lyrics, but you can also write the singer feels broken.
写句子的 structure 架构。
You have to change the structure of the sentence.
那第一句是正确的答案，因为我知道。
我应该是 the finger feels broken。
His finger feels broken.
You put it in black. Okay. I just
Oh, yeah,
give you the
I-
sentence structure. Okay.
Actually, what does it mean Wednesday night? Wednesday he's empty arms.
His empty arms, he was lonely. His empty arms were open, he was lonely.
He was taking the sound. Okay. Teacher, how does it say?
Miss Ashley, I'm afraid you still remember the lyrics. Can you check your iPad, right? Okay. We can use our iPad to search the lyrics of Waiting for Love.
He was grateful. He was feeling grateful. He was thanking the stars. And then on Saturday, he was feeling optimistic. On Sunday, it's not there. But on Saturday, he was burning like a fire. He was feeling and ready to go. Like the dog. You remember when the dog was sitting down and then he jumped up and he was like, shake it off, and he was ready to go, right?
LOAY。来这里有我的找 Waiting for Love 歌词啊，让你
That means, come on.
教室里没有宣传过来，因为有一个。
I haven't listened to that. I haven't seen him do anything. And it's like,
A
把歌曲翻译。 Find the lyrics.
his arms are empty and he wants to have something in his arms. He's waiting for love.
绝望了。不是，我可以理解有人他主要，
这就是为什么
我不能理解为什么是吗？
明明就是猫好吧？看不看懂啊？
你看这里有或者是单独。OK， 然后有一个麦克风，你们用我的手机好了。
老师都写答案了。
啊？老师说那个是句子。
So Miss Ashley, Friday nights mean what he say on Friday?
How does the singer feel on Friday? He was burning like a fire gone wild. What does that mean?
But it's on Saturday.
No. Monday, let's be working to Alice.
Look, thanks to the stars.
It's
I was burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. It's
Ah.
on Saturday.
Yeah, so thank the stars. Yes, thank the stars is Friday.
So Wednesday
So what
night.
what is he feeling on Friday? If he's thanking the stars. He feels? Yes.
So I can just write a lyric?
No, you're right. He feels grateful.
Be optimistic.
Oh. All right, if you're finished with the second part, do the third part using the iPads. You can find the meanings. You're all finished. Awesome. No, I get 5 minutes out of their break time.
老师，因为你们
No, yeah, me and Bella are very finished, and the iPad is PDP pass. She passed it. She passed it. 跟我说了一个 she passed it. 对不起。
不是
啊。
什么东西啊？一直到手。
If I'm thanking you, what am I feeling? Thanks, this is ours.
But into the
Thankful.
yes, so we can do I feel.
Yes, he's feeling thankful. He's feeling thankful, or what is the synonym for thankful?
感激的还可以用在
Appreciative, yes. No, es Alright, let's go through part 2, everyone. Let's go through part 2 together. what is the singer waiting for? Kayla. The singer is waiting for love. What kind of love?
什么类型的？
Is it romantic love? No.
To be with him.
He's waiting for someone to be with him, like a family type of love, right?
Yeah, a small family.
A small family, maybe.
He wants to get married.
那种爱啊，是家庭的爱。
Family love, okay? All right, what about number 2, Demi? How does the singer feel on Monday? He feels broken. What is the past tense of feel? Leo.
feel 的过去式是谁呢？
Felt. Past tense of feel is felt. So you should have he felt broken.
哦，
What is the synonym for broken? Keaton.
写过去式啊。 felt
Synonym. Another word.
镜子就是
He felt hurt, right? He felt
受
hurt.
伤的，我受伤了，hurt。那天说过，受伤可以指 hurt， 心理上受伤，感情的受伤。
As Sia said this morning, she feels sad. But what is a synonym for sad? Despair or dismay. So broken can mean despair or dismay. Okay. What happens on Wednesday nights? Elizabeth.
周三晚上发生了什么？
I can't hear you. Nicole. I need to hear Elizabeth. She's using her low voice today.
So big voice, please,
Elizabeth, could you use the voice you were using on Monday? Could you please? That one. The voice you were using on Monday. I need that one. Yeah, I know. That's the big voice that I want. Go. Mhm. His empty arms were open. All right, so on Wednesday, his empty arms were open. Aiden, what does empty arms open mean?
Is he lonely? Are you Aiden? No.
He was feeling empty? What's another way now to say empty, Kayla? He was feeling?
Lonely.
He was feeling lonely. His empty arms were open. He was feeling lonely.
No one to
What
talk.
happens? What happens?
What happened? His empty arms were open.
His empty arms,
Like this,
Yeah,
right?
he's waiting
Empty
for
arms.
someone.
he was waiting for someone
to hug.
to
Hug.
hug.
Yeah,
Yes.
it means
Yeah.
he's lonely.
Yes.
If Demi is my best friend, right? So I can hug her.
Right?
And now I'm lonely, so I open. My empty arms are open, but no one to hug. Okay, like this.
See my face? I'm just there sitting, waiting for someone. Okay? All right, and then how does the singer feel on Friday? Nicole.
The singer is thanking the stars.
He was thanking the stars on Friday. What does that mean?
He felt grateful.
He felt grateful. Which means what? Between Wednesday and Friday, what happened? What happened between Wednesday and Friday?
什么事情发生了？
The
No.
Thursday,
What happened?
he's waiting.
Found his love?
No, he didn't find love. You watched the thing, he didn't find love. What happened?
What happened? What's your lyrics?
It's just waiting.
No.
It's waiting for the.
If on Wednesday he was feeling what?
Lonely.
He was feeling lonely, and then on Friday he was grateful. What happened on Thursday?
Because he thought that
I'm not talking about the song. He
he
changed his mindset.
Attitude. 态度改变了。
Change his attitude. Somewhere on Thursday, maybe he started to love himself. You see, he changed his mindset on Thursday.
Yes. 周三的时候他感觉很孤独，周五的时候就感觉啊，我感觉好感激，我很开心，那就意味着他的态度变了，环境不变，变的是你对待环境的态度，你的心情就会变。
All right, Max, what is the message of the song?
想传递给我们的信息是 The message of the song is
现在你真的看出来了。
Optimistic. We need to teach him supercalifragilistic so he understands mystic. Huh? One more time.
Supercalifragilistic, expialidocious.
Very good. Alright? You have to learn how to spell it now. What do you think the message is? The message is to be optimistic. Alright, let's go. Tyrant. What is tyrant?
Someone who has power over others and uses it unfairly.
What is vulnerable?
Having a weakness that makes you easy to harm or attack.
Leo. What is cynical?
Believe that people were
Motivated. What is unstoppable?
Impossible to know or prevent.
And
It's
last
on
one,
one line.
I know, but you wouldn't know unless you know the meaning.
I told you it's all one line.
Unless you know the meaning, then you wouldn't know it's all one line.
There's a one that is proving a theory.
Uh-huh.
You don't believe me.
You see, he didn't believe you because he doesn't know the meaning. What is the last one for miracle?
An extraordinary and will have been done.
All right, thank you so much. I told you I would take back my time. You have homework for Supermind this weekend. Everyone, you have Supermind homework this weekend, yes?
Yes.
Supermind